Unlocking the mystery of From Time Immemorial. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in academic texts, from time immemorial. This expression has a rich history and a profound meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and use of the English language. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. From time immemorial refers to a time so long ago that it is beyond memory or historical record. It's used to describe something that has existed for such a long period that no one can remember when it began. This phrase evokes a sense of ancientness and continuity, suggesting that something has been a certain way for an incredibly long time, possibly even since the beginning of human history or civilization. The phrase, from time immemorial, has its roots in legal language, specifically in English law. It was used to refer to a time before legal history and records began, traditionally set in England as before the reign of King Richard I in 1189. Anything that had existed since before this time was considered to have legal rights or customs that did not need to be proven by written documentation because they were universally acknowledged due to their ancient origins. Understanding how to incorporate from time immemorial into your conversations or writing can enrich your language skills. Here are a few examples. This land has belonged to the indigenous people from time immemorial. The practice of storytelling has been a fundamental part of human culture from time immemorial. These forests have stood from time immemorial, providing shelter to countless species. If you're looking to vary your language or find expressions similar to from time immemorial, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Since time began, since the dawn of time, time out of mind, in the mists of time. Using these synonyms can help keep your language vibrant and engaging while conveying a similar sense of ancient or unrecorded history. We hope this exploration of from time immemorial has illuminated its meaning, origins, and usage for you. This phrase is more than just a way to denote ancient history. It's a bridge to our past, connecting us to traditions, practices, and places that have shaped humanity from time immemorial. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure, and we look forward to uncovering more treasures of the English language together. Until next time, happy learning!